Today we're going to see if a Walking Dead gun can shoot up to 100 feet.
Where'd you get it at?
I got it at Target. It says blasts up to 100 feet, but we don't actually know that yet, so we're going to test it out.
Okay. Come on. How far did it go?
I think maybe at least 80 feet.
Yeah,
Maybe 90 feet actually.
pretty close.
200 feet. But it still didn't make it to 100 feet. So if you get it, it doesn't go to 100 feet. It goes to like 90 or 80 feet.